Hey everyone, ready to talk XRP?
Always ready.
Yeah, especially with all the buzz lately, right?
Yeah.
XRP's been making headlines, even had a 7-year high back in December.
Definitely got people's attention.
It has, and it's really interesting is how well it's been doing, even with the ups and downs in the crypto market.
Yeah, kind of defying the trends a bit.
It is.
And, some analysis out there is pointing to a very bullish setup for XRP. Like, we're talking serious potential price surge.
Okay, so break it down for us. What are these analysts seeing?
Well, they've been looking at the charts, XRP's price charts, and they're noticing something called an isometric triangle pattern showing up on the 4-hour chart.
Isometric triangle pattern. Okay, so for those of us who maybe aren't chart experts, what does that even mean?
Right, so imagine you're connecting the highest points of XRP's price over time with a line, and then you do the same thing connecting the lowest points. You end up with a triangle that gets narrower over time, right? That's your isometric triangle pattern.
Okay, so a classic breakout setup. Yeah, exactly.
And what's exciting is XRP actually already broke out of this pattern back on January 12th.
Yeah, it did.
But there's more, right?
There is.
It recently retested the upper bounds of the pattern, which, I mean, that's a big deal.
Huge deal. Think of it like this. When a price breaks out like that and then kind of dips back to touch the breakout point again, it's like a confirmation, almost like the market's double-checking itself.
Little, are you sure?
Exactly. And this retest, this buy the retest, it's a classic signal that traders look for.
So this retest could be like a second chance for anyone who maybe missed the initial jump.
Could be, yeah.
Mm.
It's often seen as a less risky entry point compared to, just chasing the initial breakout.
Right. Okay. So these analysts, they aren't just predicting a small increase for XRP, are they?
Not at all. They're thinking way bigger, like way past its previous all-time high.
So how high are we talking?
They're saying XRP could surge to somewhere between, get this, $10 and $11. Whoa. Hold on, let that sink in for a sec. I mean, XRP right now, it's trading around $2.57.
Right.
We're talking like a 300% increase, potentially.
Yeah, it's a bold prediction, no doubt about that. But what's really interesting is that's not even the highest prediction out there.
Oh, there's more.
Some analysts are saying XRP could go even higher. Like, we're talking predictions as high as 27 cents.
Okay, now that is a game changer. What's driving that level of optimism, I guess?
Well, a lot of it comes down to, XRP's underlying technology and its growing use in real-world applications.
You're talking about the Ripple network, right?
Exactly. Ripple's partnered up with hundreds of financial institutions worldwide, using XRP to, facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border payments. And this growing adoption, it's one of the key factors fueling that, bullish sentiment.
So it's not just hype. There's actually, utility behind XRP.
Yeah.
It's actually being used to solve real problems in the financial world.
Right, exactly.
That makes a lot of sense. But let's be realistic for a sec. $27 XRP. I mean, that sounds almost too good to be true.
Sure.
What would actually have to happen for it to reach those kind of levels?
Well, you're right to be cautious. The crypto market, I mean, it's known for its volatility. However, if XRP were to hit $27, we'd likely see a bunch of factors kind of lining up just right. Increased adoption by major financial institutions, that'd be crucial.
So more banks and payment providers using XRP for their transactions.
Exactly. That would create a surge in demand, drive up the price. And then you've got favorable regulations. Those could play a role too.
Yeah.
If governments around the world create a clear and supportive regulatory framework for cryptocurrency, it could really boost investor confidence and fuel even more growth.
Makes sense. It's all about creating that, stable and predictable environment for crypto to thrive. But let's shift gears for a moment. I want to talk about something that's been on my mind, this whole idea of FOMO, fear of missing out.
Ah, yeah, FOMO, that silent force behind so many impulsive investment decisions.
Exactly. It can be so easy to get caught up in all the hype, especially when you see these, predictions of massive price surges. How can people avoid making those FOMO-based decisions?
It's a great question. One of the best ways to combat FOMO is just having a clear investment strategy. Define your goals, your risk tolerance, how much capital you're comfortable putting in, and stick to it.
So basically, don't just jump into something because everyone else is, right?
Yeah, exactly. Do your own research, understand the fundamentals, and make sure it aligns with, your overall strategy.
Solid advice. Don't let your emotions drive your investment decisions. Now, let's circle back to those price targets for a sec. We've got predictions ranging from $10 to $27. That's quite a spread.
It is a pretty big range. And it's important to remember that these are just predictions, not guarantees. No one can predict the future, especially in a market as, dynamic as crypto. But these predictions, they give us a sense of the potential that many people see.
Right, it's about understanding the range of possibilities.
Yeah.
But here's what I'm really curious about. What would it actually mean for someone if XRP hit those targets? It's like mind-blowing to think about it.
Yeah.
Someone invests a couple $100 and it jumps to $27. Like, that could be life-changing.
Yeah, no doubt about it. It could mean, achieving financial freedom, paying off debt, or finally chasing those dreams they never thought
It's
possible.
like this ripple effect, right? This positive ripple effect that spreads beyond the individual investor.
Yeah.
If XRP sees that kind of growth, it could have major implications for the entire crypto space.
Absolutely. You could see increased adoption, more investments, and a surge of innovation as developers build on the Ripple network. It's not crazy to imagine a future where XRP plays a major role in global finance.
Wow, that's really exciting to think about.
Yeah.
We got to be realistic, right? There are risks involved, too. I mean, crypto is notoriously volatile.
Of course, yeah. No investment is without risk. The crypto market is still, relatively young and subject to those fluctuations. Regulations are constantly evolving. And then there's always that potential for, unforeseen events that could impact the market.
So what's the takeaway for our listeners? What should they be doing with this information?
I think the key is to approach crypto with a balanced perspective. Don't let FOMO dictate your decisions, but at the same time, don't shy away from exploring the potential. Do your research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions that, align with your financial goals.
It always comes back to doing your homework.
It does.
Don't just blindly follow the hype.
Exactly. Take your time, understand what you're investing in and why.
Well said.
All right.
I think we've covered a lot of ground today. We've talked about the analysis behind XRP's recent price action, the factors driving its potential growth, and how important it is to make those informed investment decisions.
Yeah, we've explored both the possibilities and the potential risks of investing in crypto.
It's been great. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of XRP. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about crypto, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this crazy world.
Absolutely. And who knows, maybe we'll be celebrating XRP hitting the moon someday.
Until next time.